Oh wow. I like Sonic 4 episode with I. Or 2. Wait, what happened to the game? What news? Did the news go on? Right there, the news here. Breaking news. There is a tornado. Oh, there's a tornado in this current city. What is tornadoes? What did you say? Wait, how am I watching TV and I can hear you? Oops. Okay, this tornado is coming, so you gotta go to the basement or the bathroom. Please, go to the basement, like this basement. Or this basement, I don't know if we can fit here. Or this windowless room. Go to the basement or windowless room now. We can now return back to our programming. Now let me ignore the tornado. I just play some more Sonic. But the tornado can kill you! Oh my gosh! Oh, I gotta go to the basement! Rah! I'm not sure if we mean this basement. Let me go ask that. Alexa, what is the weather today?
Currently, in Eden it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 90 degrees and a low of 72 degrees.
Well, we gotta go to the basement. Oh, it doesn't mean this space? I'll go hide in this basement. The tornado is gonna suck the controller. Now the tornado is gonna suck the Sonic. Oh no! Oh, now it's coming back for him. And then he goes and Sonic died from the tornado. Now he's in another place.